Welcome to today's episode where we'll be talking about Green Pudla, a delicious and healthy breakfast recipe that will kickstart your day with energy and positivity. Green Pudla is a delightful and nutritious breakfast option that combines the goodness of chickpea flour with the vibrant flavors of spinach and fresh herbs. Originating from Indian cuisine, this dish offers a healthy twist to your morning routine. The combination of finely chopped spinach, coriander leaves, and a hint of spices creates a flavorful batter, resulting in thin, savory pancakes that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Easy to prepare and versatile in serving, Green Pudla pairs perfectly with tangy chutneys or creamy yogurt, making it an ideal choice for a wholesome and fulfilling breakfast. Ingredients: 1 cup chickpea flour besan, 1 cup spinach leaves washed and finely chopped, a ½ cup coriander leaves chopped, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1-2 green chilies finely chopped, adjust to taste, a ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, a ½ teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, water as needed, cooking oil for frying. Instructions: 1. In a mixing bowl, combine chickpea flour, chopped spinach, coriander leaves, chopped onion, green chilies, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, and salt. 2. Gradually add water while mixing to form a smooth batter with a pancake-like consistency. Ensure there are no lumps in the batter. 3. Heat a non-stick pan or skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it with oil. 4. Pour a ladleful of the batter onto the pan and spread it evenly to form a round shape similar to a pancake. 5. Drizzle a few drops of oil around the edges of the pudla. 6. Cook for 2-3 minutes on one side until it turns golden brown. Then flip it over and cook the other side until it's cooked through and golden brown as well. 7. Repeat the process with the remaining batter, adding a little oil to the pan as needed. 8. Once done, serve the green pudlas hot with your favorite chutney, yogurt, or a side of fresh salad. These flavorful and nutritious green pudlas are a great way to start your day. Adjust the spice level according to your preference and enjoy this healthy breakfast option.